Don't do it, Sentinel. I will start trying to. Actually, I don't have a thing. Probably not. Leave me alone.
It's straight up on your tail.
Fuck off! Hey guys, I didn't mean to pull out the gun. Hey guys, Robert here. Welcome back to No Man's Skies. I'm, of course, with
Syrian Orca. Hello, everyone.
It's been a while since I made a video. Oh shit! It's been a while since I made a video. Ignore that. And that's because I've been busy with stuff. I would also like to know, like, after today I do this video, tomorrow I plan to do a few other things, and one of them is making a Dying Light video. The other thing is working on some character designs for a secret project. I need to get an area where I can hear myself, because I'm going deaf with a rumbling noise. Actually, wait, let me just down my volume. Alright, anyway. Time for the mission. You good?
Yep, you get talk through the whole thing again. One sec.
Just gonna chill in Soundwave for a moment. No! No! I keep pressing E because I've played Minecraft a lot.
Oh yeah, also, time to use that map that I managed to get. Now, let's go and look for an ancient building. Scanning. Hope this works. Alien artifact detected. Yes, there we go. And it's over there. Whereabouts? And it's 15 hours away.
Jesus Christ. I just have to follow you. Still haven't figured out how to go in third person when flying a ship. Oh, there it is.
Ooh.
I'm here. Hello.
Alright, Robert. Here is an ancient building on its the geek play or the visitation of either like the zoo. After that.
Bear the first one look upon your. Seek help with language. Seek knowledge of the path. Well, it says communicate with aliens, so I guess with language.
I'm gonna do one about the past, and that's always the fun because we can actually get some really good treasure.
Are you? It's serious. It taught me the word the. Quick update about the Hell SMP for everyone. There will probably sometime next year there will soon be another canonical video. So yeah, another thing to look out for. I think I'm landing on it.
Oh.
I landed on it.
Oh, Robert, there's a.
That's down
Found
there.
something. Little fragment.
What the?
But an ancient key.
Why the hell can't I break this stuff?
I got it. Oh, that's the ball. Fuck, that's not good.
Ah! Sentinels searching. Oh. Hi, Sentinels. Sentinel searching. Ah, right in front of me.
It's me they want.
No, they're after me. Too late, repair drone. Now you're mine. He's self-destructed. Oh, buzz off.
Piss off. There we go.
Oh, the dog's here.
Air drone. Ow.
Radiation protection. Critical damage taken.
Ow. Taking down.
Critical damage taken.
Alright.
Hostile scan detected. Critical damage taken. Air freeze drops in suit inventory.
This beams me down. Oh, I'm just right here. Where is my...
Ouch.
Where's my...
Gotcha. Ah. What the hell?
Ow! Help, I really can't help.
Ow.
Why am I Where's my thing? Oh, it's there. God. Aha! Oh, in the cave.
Oh, hello. You're after me now.
Oh, crying out loud. I can't help.
Component prepared. Technology recharge.
Ah. Oh, damn it!
Hostile scan detected.
Well, I died.
Yeah, I died a while ago.
All my stuff is gone. Where's my shit?
Oh god. Another one! Destroyed 3 Sentinel ships now.
Okay.
Another one.
I lost all my shit.
No, it's there. You gotta find the like located beacon thing.
Where's my located beacon?
It has your stuff on it. Another one down. I'm just taking care of the Sentinel ships up here.
Okay.
They keep coming one at a time at me for some reason. I'm guessing it's gonna wait till a bigger wave. Right in front of me! Bad idea. Ah, here it is. Rapid fire mode. Took them both out.
Technology recharge.
Another one.
Critical damage taken. Critical damage taken. Critical damage taken.
Oh my god. Another one!
Critical damage taken.
Oh, this is bad.
Shield down. Critical damage taken.
I can't move. I'm stuck in the thing. Can I move? What the fuck's happening? I'm stuck. I couldn't. What happened?
Oh my god.
What happened?
I do not know. I'm not there
What?
because, you know,
I couldn't even get away. I couldn't move. Hey, sound. What happened? I straight up just could not move. Oh my god. No idea what where to get my stuff back from
yeah.
when you lose your
But
ship.
just-
Do you get what happens when? Is there a way to get your stuff back when you die in your ship or
No.
no? Oh well.
I basically just lost everything except
Oh.
for my ship.
But here's the plus side. I still got the very valuable stuff in my inventory, just not in my ship anymore.
Hmm.
So I still got like the stuff to sell. So I'm just gonna land at the space station real quick.
Yeah, I still. Yeah, I get it.
Oh well. We can get more stuff later. I seriously don't know what happened there. Just I was trying to fly around battling the Sentinels because I actually ran into their freighter. Then all of a sudden I was glued to their freighter, like I was just stuck to the side of it.
Oh.
I think
see.
I think I boosted myself into the wall of the freighter and I got stuck. Like I tried the reverse, I tried to fly forward, I was just stuck on the side of the wall being blasted by the beam. I'm not angry, I find that very funny. Alright. This is the buy things. I'm actually gonna buy more of these wiring looms because I need a lot of them.
No free slots in suit inventory.
Oh, no free slots. I forgot to put things in my ship. Oh, this is damage again. Great. I'll put. This. Put those in there. Ah! %66% on the language thing. Need to find more of these things, obviously. Alright. Anyway, back to what I was trying to buy. 10 of these.
Product received.
Yep. That's all I really need. Now, do I sell the valuable stuff I got from the thing where we fought the corrupted drones on the selling thing, or do I
Yeah, on the
sell
selling
them
thing, the
to...
galactic.
Alright. This...
Units received.
This...
Units
Where's the other one? Ah, oh.
Units received.
I have 3,559,275 units, and I can't say the one, but the one that says the starts of N, I got 1,242 of those, and Quicksilvers, I got 150 of those.
Oh, that's good. You're rich.
That's all I'm selling. Oh, there you are. Alright. we could do. I got. Oh. Journey stone complete. I took one step forward. New title unlocked. Magnet Robert Lee. That's some title. I'd rather keep a hold of my title of the Sentinel Hunter. Oh! That's a lot of ships. Any freighter by any chance? Oh! My stuff! There is a grave when I die on my ship.
Oh.
I get my stuff back! Why can't you find your stuff?
I do not know.
I'm coming! My things! There's like a bunch of sentinels waiting there. The best sentinel trap that just surround my gravestone.
Oh, I got something as well. Oh, it's never mind. It's your gravestone.
Sorry. Didn't mean to get your hopes up. Yeah! I just fly into and somehow magically get everything. That's totally how gravestone works.
Very good. That's just what I need. I need to get
I'll
some
be
stuff.
in the anomaly. Looking
Yeah,
for, looking, I won't be like starting anything, I'll just like be looking for jobs for us.
Yep.
We need money and also to mess up the government.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 2 players in here. One's on mouse and keyboard like me, and I didn't see what the other one's on. It's alive! Hey, Nexus! I think I'm saying it's wrong the whole time. So, alright, so, oh, well, there, oh, they're still there. Okay, so, there's 4 here. Eliminate hazardous floors. I think that's what it says, or fluoride, or however people pronounce it. Salvage frigate or frigate module. 400 quicksilvers. Kill 500. Jesus, that's I wish. Kill 51 monster. I can't pronounce that right, but anyway. 11 iron batteries, 328 nanites. I think that's what it says. Collect 20.
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah.
No! Oh no!
What is it?
Oh, I could have completed this one! I got rid of the collect 20 storm crystals. I had like 200 and I got rid of them. I sold one of these mission things is collect 20 storm crystals, and I had a lot of storm crystals, but I sold them long ago.
How the hell did he get that many storm crystals?
I was just breaking random crystals I found to hope to find the right one. I pretty much got them by accident. Oh, we got the raid another sentinel deposit.
Give me a second. I'm fighting against some pirates.
We get fuel oxygen. I can't pronounce that right. And 448,976 units for that.
There we go.
So, 3 of them is just doing manual chores, and 1 of them is just fucking up the government.
1 sec. Let me just come in. I'm going into the next anomaly right now.
Let me just Brexit. Ooh, this one's reward has changed. Green. Oh, unless I'm just didn't read it yet. Green firework. No. Didn't mean to press that. This one's yellow, which I think means the one we have to do.
I don't. Hold on 1 sec. I'm coming.
Anyway,
let's see.
The reward for this is green firework times 5. What do fireworks do in this game?
What? Fireworks? 1 sec.
Green firework times 5, so you get 5 green fireworks. You also get
screw it out.
So we got 1 that messed up the government, and then 3 that just like manual chores and stuff.
Let's do. Oh.
But I'm
some
tempted
of
to do.
these.
I'm tempted to do the one that's like lit up for me, which is like the top one for me, which is eliminate hazardous flora, is lit orange. Which does that mean like a mission one, like my main story mission one?
Think so. Let's give that one a try. And once we do that, let's do one that's from space stations. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's go. Gonna have to skip that. Gonna have to cut that out of the video. I accidentally pressed the tab. Accidentally did something with a tab on to show my goddamn Steam history.
Hey, we go, buddy!
Whee!
Woohoo!
This time it didn't hold me back. Still having that
We
down.
both actually exited the anomaly together.
Yeah, this finally, because last time I was like held back for something. If we get this done quickly, maybe we'll do the Sentinel one just for fun.
Also, actually, I hope in the space one there'll be a Sentinel ones and they also do and they also give out very useful awards on the space station. So
Yep,
yeah.
hang on. I see them. I see where we gotta
Still
go.
Still warping. Don't worry.
Well, it's like a couple hours away, so I'll just boost along to the. Oh, I need to fill this thing up. Ah! Wait, No!
Whoa. What's this?
Didn't mean to do that.
That's something.
Alright. Here I come.
Unknown grave. Oh, I got a grave.
Wait, I want to see the grave.
No, I got hazardous flora. Oh.
That's the thing! That's the thing! Alright. I'm coming. There's another one up there. There's another one up there.
Oh. I got this one.
Okay, so it must be a trail of these things, because I saw another one like up here. Oh, well, you just eliminated it.
It's up here. Okay, there's another one up here.
Sentinels! Careful, Sentinels. Yeah, there's another one up here. So this one's highly active Sentinel planet, so we gotta be careful to bounce them. Just 2 right here.
Can I get this gassy planet?
How many do we
Gassy
destroy?
pod?
Oh, we gotta destroy a lot of these things. Oh, there's a lot in this area. We so far destroyed 4 out of 11.
What?
Yeah, it says in the thing we gotta destroy 11 of these things.
Hey, yeah, why wouldn't it let me get this one?
I don't know.
Ah, screw you, you can live.
Some up here? Yes, there is. Got him. 5.
1 second, just getting this.
Ooh, some of these won't be that bad. You need my portable. You need to use my portable refiner for a moment.
No.
Open it up. I just needed it to. No, I'm 1 short. Well, I'll just make 1 more then. You buzz off, Sentinel.
Technology recharge.
So many animals here.
Yeah. I think we should kill them.
No. No.
I think I've lost my mind officially. And fixed and fixed.
Who knows? Let's see what this new storyline missions that we have to do.
Hopefully it was that.
Oh no!
I heard that.
I'm now stuck at the entrance again. No!
Come on. And I just got in the anomaly and I heard that. I was like, oh no. Alright. And complete mission. Yeah.
Damn it!
Are you still out there?
Yeah, I'm stuck at the entrance.
How?
I don't know. It's a glitch.
Guess I'll take yours. Oh wait. Yeah, I done this mission now. I'll still wait here for you. Don't worry. Wait, what?
Thanks.
Wait, what did it say? What did it say? Wait, no, come back! What did it say? How did I complete? You know, I'm not even gonna.
Unearthing ancient bones. Ah.
Yeah, but is this? Alright. Okay. Ooh. Hunt dangerous pirates. That's kind of your thing.
Yeah.
That's the other one that's also. Oh, maybe that's just for like the Quicksilver units. I mean, Quicksilver ones, because this is a new one and it's also orange. You want to do this one anyway? Because we get 11 iron batteries, which I know is useful for shields and stuff.
Oh yeah, let's do this one. Oh.
Alright. Oh, you're unready yourself. Let's go to the ships, quickly! This!
Oh.
It's still here, I guess.
Yep. Looks like we get to do this in the same system.
And it's just over. Oh, didn't mean to mark that out.
Oh shit! It's what planet we're going to. It has aggressive sensors.
Oh shit! And we're digging things up. We know what happened last time. You say aggressive sentinels, I say bring it on.
Yeah, bring it on, baby.
The only thing that really worried me are the walker things, but even then we took out like a couple of them already.
Oh.
Landon.
I need him. There we go, I'm landing as well.
Oh, this is a nice looking planet. I bet the sentinels would be pissed if I made it my base.
Extreme sentinel bag.
I know, shut the
Really?
fuck up.
I really, how could we possibly figure that out?
What's this?
Sentinel. Sentinel! It's a waypoint.
Hey.
You're immediately being scanned by a sentinel, by the way.
Sentinel bag.
Yep.
Ah, another sentinel. I can't see! Ah! Great. No, not dealing with this just yet. Oh, it's right here.
Hey, bastard.
I'm just gonna ignore them. Because I'm just gonna focus on getting this thing.
Ouch.
Are you fighting them?
No.
Toxic protection.
Oh, they're just fighting you.
Come on.
Oh, there's a lot. I found it! I found one. Okay, I grabbed one and I see multiple more. Ah!
What? What is it?
Hi, Orca! Oh my
Oh,
god!
hey.
I turn around, I just see a person with a gun. What do you mean, what? Oh, sentinel. Let's just stay on the ground.
Found one. Oh, poison. Help.
If what?
I'm frozen. Help.
I'm coming.
Can't move.
Where are you? Where are
What's
you?
going on?
Oh, you're just
Right
standing.
here.
You're just standing still.
Yeah.
Oh.
Robert.
I'm getting the sentinels off of you. Don't worry.
Free slots in suit inventory.
I got the sentinels away from you. Oh, there's another one.
Ow! Help!
I'm trying. They kind of have the high ground.
Why can't I move? Help me!
Ah! I think it's the ground. Can you move now? What the f- Oh.
Weather warning. Incoming storm.
She's a ghost. Oh, knowledge stone.
Hello!
Resolve sentinels. I learned the word for you. The sentinel's just constantly following me.
Toxic protection. Warning.
Oh
What's
no,
up?
I lost. Oh yeah, that's right. I lost my Outlast pass.
They
Oh!
removed your rights.
I lost one. Damn right. Let's see what I can get from here.
Oh, he's just following me. Right, I haven't made these yet.
Warning. Sentinel drones activated.
I've done nothing. I'm literally opening crates. I'm not doing anything. Look, I know I hunt you guys down, but it doesn't give you the right to suddenly just attack, suddenly just call an army on me. I'm in here now. There's a bunch of them out there.
Mm-hmm. I can tell.
Oh, this thing. Finally, I can make some room. Is my ship too far away? I bet it. Oh, this is to buy. Do I just sell navigation data?
You can if you want. Or
No, but like, what else do I
Robert,
do
look.
with it?
here's a multi-tool. Or you can use it to call over your ship at a minor settlements.
Okay, yeah, I'll keep a hold of that.
And Roboto, look what this here.
Hang on, hang on. I'm just trying to make room in my inventory.
Received. Units received. Units received.
Alright, yeah.
Look, the multi-tool that you wanted.
I know. But I'm pretty sure I won't be able to afford it. Oh, I can buy this one!
Hey!
It's a class B. That's better than my, is that better than my class C one?
Yeah.
So I can have two, I'm guessing. I'll take it, I guess. Well, listen, shopkeeper, if this is some piece of shit, I will kill you. The End of Bones. Nah, I don't like that name. No, if I call it that, I'll get demonetized. Don't do it, Sentinel. I will start trying to. Actually, I don't have a thing. Probably not for that. Leave me alone.
It's straight up like still on your tail.
Fuck off! My God. Whoa. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Fucking leave me alone. Hell.
Leave me alone.
It's like a little pet.
A little pet.
I got a dog following me. Fuck off. If I can pick it up. We did it.
There we go. Finally. I'm doing it. Yeah.
Why is there poo over there? I think my thing pooed.
Give me a sec.
Ah! Can I unlock that thing now? Let's get the hell out of here. Now, after all that pain, you better give me something good, because I can't remember what my reward is.
11 iron batteries.
Thank you. Alright. Mission complete. Or
Now,
do
bro,
it-
what I do?
Ah, you want to do another one?
Another?
Alright, so
Alrighty.
let's save the main mission stuff for the next episode then.
Alright, we're gonna do the external materials where we collect 776 activated copper. There we get our warp hypercore and $400,000.
Sounds good to me.
Something a bit, you know, chilled.
Yeah, let's do it. Plus, I need copper anyway.
Yeah, same here.
It's stormy.
Yep.
Ooh. I like the blast pattern of that. Ah! I didn't know it was an extreme hot planet. Where was the heads up? Hello.
Incoming storm.
Oh, now it tells me there's an incoming storm. Thanks for the heads up, game. So how do you get all your money? Oh, I just steal some things out of people's houses.
Totally not suspicious.
I just stole some I stole 1,988 units from someone's house.
Oh my god.
Good thing no one's around here.
Yeah, good thing no one's around.
Oh, knowledge stone. Great.
Oh,
Oh,
knowledge stone.
I learned a word for trade. That's what I'm doing. I'm just trading.
Let's see what I learned from this knowledge stone. I learned the word hi.
Unfortunate. I can see that you're fighting the wildlife, aka the Sentinels.
Yep. Huh?
Getting copper. Not enough fuel to launch. So am I seriously out again? Well, guess what? Oh no, I used it already. No. I'll just make another one.
Can I still one of this? Thank you. Oh wait, never mind.
See, can I make another? I can. I'm gonna have two just for now.
Technology recharge.
God damn, I'm gonna have to wait.
I'm gonna go to the area. Gotta get this mission over with.
Hostile ships approaching.
Oh, come on!
Oh come on, what the hell?
Hostile ships.
I'm on my way.
One down. I think that's all of them.
Hostile ships defeated.
I got them. Yep. What the hell?
There it is.
What? What is this terrain? I sent it to you.
Yep. Now
Did
let's
it-
head back.
Or did you do it?
Yeah, I did it.
Set on back. My ship's just over here. Scroll. Here we go.
Yep.
I heard a thing again. Alright.
Now, stop again. Yeah, I mean, finally.
Hey, now you can claim your prize.
Yes, finally.
There's another exact ship of yours right next to you. It's just, well, sort of.
What? Oh, you're right.
Now you're having your own army.
Yes. There we go.
Alright. Well, now time for the outro. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of No Man's Sky. Like always, actually, hang on, let me quickly check something. Okay, I think next week was gonna be one more episode of No Man's Sky, and then after that, next month I'm gonna be away from. I'm gonna be off YouTube for a whole month, basically for after that, because I'm gonna be doing stuff with my family in Portugal.
Ah.
So after this, there's only going to be a Dying Light video and another No Man's Sky video, and that's it for this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Serene Orca, because she's been really helpful and also fun to play with in these games.
Yeah, link in the description below. And also,
yeah, I need to do that again.
yep, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.
Bye bye. I am so pissed right now about that mission.
What's the mission for?
No, not this mission, the last mission. I still got the damn bones.
Oh yeah, that's right.
After completing the mission, it didn't get rid of the bones. I still have them.
Hey, look at the right so you can get some good money.
I don't care. The bone was tortured.